So after step one is done, then we move in here and we start creating the pattern, which is what you'll see on her left screen. And so here the pattern is the shapes of the garment that Courtney has created. For instance, this is a sleeve, this is a back, this is one of the fronts, and it's a zip front bike jersey. And then we do have a way to start prototyping the garment in a virtual setting before we actually cut and sew. So if you could render that. So over here she's got the pattern pieces placed around an avatar that has been custom designed for the brand. So this brand is a brand for males, for male cyclists, very fit, more elite cyclist brand. So we were able to create an avatar that had a really fit physique. And so we put in the properties of the fabric that were chosen into the computer, and then we virtually are sewing up the garment on that right-hand side. And so here you can see the garment has been rendered, it's been sewn up, and so we can see how it's gonna look in real life. And if you look under the arm here, you can even see there's some wrinkling. You know, that might be something that we would want to fix before we go into prototyping. And this gives us a chance to really shorten the timelines and start giving you a view of your product while we're waiting for the fabric to come in. And right here she has a tension map on the screen. Here we're showing where it's red, it's tight, where it's blue, it's loose, where it's kind of green or yellow, it's sort of medium tight. We're able to understand how the garment fits because obviously the avatar can't talk to us and tell us how it's fitting. Another cool thing about the 3D feature is being able to try different prints out, and we're able to show the client what the print looks like on the product without ever going into prototyping. And we can switch the print, we can show them different colors, we can show them different scales of the print. It's a really good way and a really inexpensive and fast way to try different prints out without going through the whole prototyping process first. The other things happening in this room are, so over here we're analyzing some prototypes for clients. We have design managers going through them. Everything gets inspected before it goes to a client. And over here is where we have the prototype sewing happening. Hi guys. And over here what we're doing is we are creating the samples in a production-friendly manner. So the main thing that's different about what's happening in this room is the prototype sewers are making sure that the garment is made in a production-friendly way, that the steps can be repeated. It's very different than if you were to bring your garment to, say, a seamstress where they only have to worry about making one. Here we're concerned about making hundreds or thousands once it goes back into the production room.